The shovel, the shovel, the mechanical shovel, digging, lifting, depositing very large loads eagerly. There's the dump truck, and there's the shovel. The mighty shovel. His reverse action. Dump truck backing in reverse, prepared to receive a large load, a big one, a big load. Whoa, that was a big load. Very big load. Another big load. Whoa. Oh, that must feel good. The shovel, the mechanical shovel, moving earth. Digging, grabbing, dumping, depositing. Whoa. Wow. Wow. Just grabbing a big clump of earth, lifting it, carrying it, and then depositing it. Ooh. Ooh. Oh, boy. There goes the dump truck, carrying the load. Oh, boy, that's a big load. That's a big one. It's a very big load. Whoa. Huge load. Whoa. Massive load. Wow. And there's the bulldozer assisting the shovel as the shovel grabs tons of earth, carries it, and deposits it on the dump truck. Whoa. Ooh. And there goes the dump truck. Full of dirt, carrying the load. The shovel is looking for a truck. Where is the truck? The shovel wants the truck. And here comes the truck. There's the shovel. There's the truck. Truck's making a right turn. Wait a minute. What's going on here? Oh, okay, backing in. Okay. Going in reverse. Getting into position to receive the deposit. Oh boy. Uh-oh. This is going to be a big one. It's going to be huge. A massive deposit. Ah. Whoa, boy, look at that load. Big load. Wow. And here comes the other dump truck, already set to receive another load. Yes. Oh boy. This is very exciting. There's the gentleman in the yellow greenish shirt with orange shorts, perhaps the foreman of this job, directing operations. There goes the dump truck carrying its load that was deposited by the shovel. The shovel's now resting with the foreman surveying the area.